Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra, I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and today I come with very special lecture. Today I am going to talk about 28 type of punishment which are mentioned in Garud Puran. But before I start my lecture, I would like to introduce Garud Puran. I am having Garud Puran. This is Garud Puran. I am having Garud Puran, and I would have to say we all have to remove all kind of misconception about Garud Puran, that we all have to read Garud Puran at the time of the death of a beloved person, but it's not true. We all have to read Garud Puran throughout our life, because we can learn many things from Garud Puran, like likewise likewise administration, how to conduct administration, how to perform administration, like many general disorders treatments are also given in Garud Puran. And also we can also enrich the moral values in our character through the Garud Puran. So we all have to read Garud Puran, the conversations between Lord Sri Hari and the king of the bird Garuda. So we just have to understand. So let's get into the punishment. One of the 28 punishments, Ayapanam. This punishment is drinking or burning a substance. The burning substance, the drinking the hot lava, molten lava, the force the particular sinners to drink it, to swallow it. Those who consume alcohol and other intoxicating drinks are sent here. The people who are actually consuming alcohol and other intoxicating material, these people are sent to this hell. These people are casting into this hell. The people who are actually used to consume alcohol, जो दारू पीते हैं, जो अल्कोहल कंज्यूम करते हैं, जो मतलब गांजा चरस जैसे सब्सटेंस को यूज करते हैं, उसको मतलब उसका सेवन करते हैं, ऐसे व्यक्ति को इस नरक में डाला जाता है. Those who consume alcohol and other intoxicating drinks are sent here. The women are forced to drink a melted iron in a liquid form. जो 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 लेडीज होते हैं, जो मतलब वुमन होती है, जो ऐसे अल्कोहल और इंटॉक्सिकेटिंग सब्सटेंस का सेवन करती है, उनको एक मोल्टन लावा होता है, उनको पिघला के उनको मतलब पिलाया जाता है. एंड वेयर एज द मैन विल बी फोर्स्ड टू ड्रिंक हॉट लिक्विड मोल्टन लावा फॉर एवरी टाइम. मतलब वुमन को भी मतलब जो लिक्विड आयरन होता है, लोहे का जो मतलब होता है लिक्विड करके, उसको पिघला के उसको पिलाया जाता है, और जो मैन को होता है उनको लावा पिलाया जाता है. सो the women are forced to drink a melted iron. The women are forced to drink a melted iron in a liquid form, and whereas the men will be forced to drink a hot liquid molten lava for every time they consume alcohol drink and then earthly lives, unless the time is not up. This particular person has to force, the particular sinner has to force to drink a particular kind of substance, molten lava and also iron liquid, iron hot liquid substance. So this punishment is given to these people who are actually used to consume alcohol and also intoxicating substance. So the moral of this particular punishment is, we don't have to drink, we don't have to consume the alcohol and also intoxicating substance. I hope you all can understand. If you are having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Radhe Radhe.